Good evening. We're here at Port Orleans French Quarter. I want to give you a quick room tour. We're actually here tonight to go do Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween at Magic Kingdom. But before we do that, I want to give you a quick room tour and then I gotta go. So this is a standard 2-bedroom. They left us a little Mickey Mouse in form of towels. That's a very nice touch. From when I entered security today, I mean, she was just so nice. She said, "Welcome home." I felt like that was nice. Here you have a dresser drawer. Here you have a table with all of our mess. The AC is like an old school kind of AC. It almost looks like a window unit. It's next to the window. By the way, this isn't so standard. We actually did get a Riverview room, which I imagine is a little bit more pricier than maybe a garden view. But there's our Riverview. And here's a mirror. TV kind of welcomes you, says your family name. Here you have some Joffrey's coffee, Disney's Resort Blend. Joffrey's Coffee, for those of you who don't know, Joffrey's is a local company. I believe they're from Tampa. And Disney kind of promotes their coffee. Well, they sell their coffee all over Disney parks, so that's pretty cool. Here you have some tea, some sugar, some creams. Here's your coffee maker, your ice bucket. Pretty standard stuff. Some drawer space for your clothes. A little mini cooler right here for you to put drinks. There's plenty of wall sockets and USB plugins, as you can see. And in the bedroom area, it has this little Mickey Alexa type assistant. That's pretty cool. I haven't used this yet. I'm gonna try it. And here you have more wall sockets and USB plugins. Let me see if I could turn on these lights. Let me see where they are. If I knew how to... Oh, they're right here. Okay, the switches are right here in between the beds. That's cool. What is this for? Here. I know it made a difference. Oh, that's for the ceiling. It has a ceiling fan. Man, that's what's up. Most hotel rooms are missing this, having a ceiling fan, because I can't sleep without the ceiling fan on. And it has a little bit of a coat hanger. The beds feel nice and firm. And then here we are entering the restroom / closet area. You have your extra pillow and blanket. You have your safe over here. And iron with a full-size iron board and plenty of hangers for your clothes. Little towel, some bath soap, some body lotion, some Kleenex. It's nice. Oh. Those of you who need it, you have this mirror. I don't know why I always call this the eyebrow mirror. Big old full-size mirror in the restroom so you can see yourself. And then we enter the shower area, where it has a bathtub, overhead shower. It has some complimentary soaps and conditioner and body wash. Well, shampoo, conditioner, body wash. These you cannot take with you because they're stuck onto the wall. And your toilet, some toilet paper, all the towels that you need. I like this little bench area right here. The room is pretty big for what it is. I wish I could have brought my dogs, but French Quarter is not one of the resorts that allows dogs. If you do want to bring your dog, you can go to Port Orleans Riverside, which is the sister hotel. It's a lot bigger, but we've stayed there last year. It's really nice, just like this one. A lot of people like this hotel a little bit better because it's smaller, it's more intimate, it's just easier to get everywhere. There's not a lot of food options at this hotel, but it has the best snack in all of Disney World, which is the Mickey Mouse beignets. And it has transportation over to Disney Springs. And Disney Springs has endless amount of eating options over there. So that's pretty cool.